Okay.
Here we are. Oh, don't drop your camera. Woohoo! Isn't that beautiful, rock face? Amazing rainforest. Yes, a little bit of rain. We don't really call it rain in these parts. It's just spitting. Oh. Not just a hole in the ground. Violent gaseous explosion.
So it's 58 meters from the water, 73 meters down.
Ah, so it's not a bottomless pit.
Altogether is like 120, 130 meters.
So it's hot water down there.
17 degrees now, not really.
17. Oh.
17 and a half.
Oh, 17. I didn't see the dot. But it's, I don't know what it would have been like before they built this lovely walkway and this, because it would have been a dangerous thing, hey? To come across something like that and just accidentally slide in.
Now you will just come to the rock here and just come out with rock and
Pops, I want a rock to throw in. What have I got in my bag? Sacrifice something in the bag. No, I've got nothing to sacrifice. Okay, so this is Mount Hypipamee, and this is what not to do. This is how young men lose their lives.
That's right.
But it is their prerogative. We come and we go. None of us are going to get out of here alive anyway, are we? And the trees, look at this lovely rainforest trees with their gnarly, gnarly roots all exposed on the rocks.
Yeah, probably I went down.
If you take that one, you end up doing the waterfall circuit.
Yeah.